We are now on 5 of 7 days of striking a pose. Today's low intensity interval training is inspired by being scared. So we're gonna be acting scared for 45 seconds and then taking a quick hot break for 15 in 5 rounds. So let's get scared in some minutes. We begin in 15 seconds. So the first one is we're gonna do a half squat with our feet shoulder width apart, and we're gonna cover our face with our hands, like so, keeping it simple. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, squat down and cover our face. Just like so. You can also go down slowly as well, but to be more authentic, you can squat down quickly. Ooh. Make a noise if you want as well. Ah! Like so. Halfway there. Choosing your tempo. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do karate hands. So we're going to take our right foot and step forward and put our hands in front of our face like we're doing double karate chops and changing sides with each time. And we begin karate chop. Like, don't do it sort of attitude. Remember to breathe even though we're acting scared. Halfway there. 10 more seconds begins right now. I called it too early because I was too scared. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now we're gonna take a step back and put our palms facing the person who's scaring you. We're gonna change back to the left leg, stand back and put our palms in the front, like so. Right foot back, palms in front. Left foot back, palms in front. You can also choose to look back as well. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to cover our face by putting our hand on the back of our head and closing our elbow like so. And we're going to twist our body on each side. And turn back, palm on our head, elbows in. Now with the right side, the same thing. Remember to breathe because we are almost at the halfway point. Passing your 10-second mark, and now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now the final one. We're gonna beg for our lives. So we're gonna bow down, put our hands together, and bow and beg for our life. Bow down, beg for our life. And bow down, beg for your life. Shaking your hands when we're going down. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finished. How was that one? I thought I'd make it a little bit more fun by not always feeling strong. It's okay to feel scared along the way on our health journey. If you like that one, hit the like button or leave a comment below. That would be great too, about how you felt during that workout. If you have any future suggestions, type it right up below. Subscribe for more workout videos. We've got 2 more days of posing, so I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!